Yes, good morning, children. Due to poor network, we couldn't take your class properly in the morning. So I am recording this class once again, and I will upload this video in your LMS portal, and you will see it. And if you find any difficulty, you can directly call me, or you can send your question in my personal WhatsApp group. Okay. So, exercise 8.3, we were solving question number 2. The first part is we have to prove that 1045 degree plus 1023 degree plus 1042 degree and plus into 1067 degree is equal to 1. So we have to prove on the right hand side is equal to 1. So I am taking left hand side is 1048 degree, 1023 degree, 1042 degree and 1067 degree, right? And we have to prove right hand side is equal to 1. So left hand side, so what I am doing, I am taking the complementary angle together. 42 and 48 and 42 are complement of each other, and 23 and 67 are complement of each other. So I am taking together. So 1048 degree into 1042 degree into 1023 degree into 1067 degree. So these are the complement of each other. Either you can change into its complement, or you can change this into its complement, right? So you can take any one of the angles. So I am taking this angle. So 10, that will be equal to 90 minus 42. So 90 minus 42 will be 48, and 1042 will remain as it is into 1023. I am changing 1023. So 1090 minus 67 is 1023, and 1067 is as it is, right? Now, as we know that 1090 minus theta is cot theta, that is cot theta, and theta is 42 degree. So cot 42 into 1042. 1090 minus theta is cot theta. Theta is 67, cot 67 degree and 1067 degree. Now, cot 42 can be written as 1 by 1042, right? Or you can write 1042 as 1 by cot 42, because 10 and cot are reciprocal of each other. So cot 42 is equal to 1 by 1042 into 1042 into cot 67 is 1 by 1067 into 1067. So this 67 and this 42 and 42 will be cancelled. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That is equal to right hand side. So at the end you write, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Right? We have taken left hand side and we have proved right hand side as 1. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this way we can prove this question. And if you want to write why this happens, so you can write here, since 1090 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. You can write here, right? As we know that the complementary angle of trigonometric ratios, that is 1090 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. This we have already done. So please note down. Now I am taking next question. Taking the next question, that is also similar one. So the second part of it is cos 38 degree and cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree, and we have to prove this is equal to 0. So again, this is the left hand side, right? So 52 and 38 are complement of each other. So either you can change this or this. You cannot change both. If you change both, then you will be in trouble, because this will become 52 and this will become 38. So it is very difficult for you to solve this. So out of the complementary angles, you will solve either this or this. So I am changing this one. So cos 38 can be written as cos 90 degree minus 52 degree. 90 minus 52 is 38, and cos 52 will remain as it is. And again I am changing sin 38 as sin 90 degree minus 52 degree, and sin 52 degree will remain as it is, right? So now, as we know that cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, and theta is 52 degree, so sin 52, and this is cos 52 degree minus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Theta is 52, so cos 52 into sin 52, right? So you can see the multiplication of sin 52 into cos 52 and sin 52 and cos 52 is same. Both are same and having negative sign, so this will be cancelled, right? So is equal to 0. That is equal to right hand side. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. And here you can also write, since we know that sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta, or cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, you can write there. What formula, which formula you have applied, you can mention there. That will be an added advantage, means examiner will easily know that the student knows the formula, right? Please note down. Now I am solving question number 3. Question number 3 is given that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Cot a minus 18 degree, right? And you have to find out the value of angle A, and it is given that 2A is an acute angle. 2A is an acute angle. So we don't know whether 2A is an acute angle or not. After getting the value of A, we will learn that how 2A is an acute angle. So here we are having tan and cot, and as we know that we can find out either the complement of this angle or complement of this angle. When these two are equal, then one must be the complement of other. So either you can change into tan into cot, or either you can change cot into tan. So it is easy that we can change tan 2a into cot 2a. How will you change? Because cot 90 minus 2a, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, right? And here cot A minus 18 degree will remain as it is. So both sides cot same angle are there. So we can cancel it. So what will remain? It will be remaining 90 degree minus 2A is equal to A minus 18 degree, right? Whenever you are solving any equation, means having equal to sign between the both sides, you have to apply the implies sign. So here implies sign, right? So transpose 18 degree here, and A will be as it is, and minus 2A will come here as plus 2A, right? So this becomes 108 degree is equal to 3A. So therefore A will be equal to 108 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, that is 36 degree. So value of angle A is 36 degree, and it is given that 2A is what? 2A is an acute angle. So you can find out 2A here. 2A. So that will be equal to 2 into A is 36 degree. So that will be equal to 72 degree. Right? So 72 degree is what? 72 degree is an acute angle. What is an acute angle? An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is an acute angle. So this is 72 degree. That is an acute angle. So this is also verifying that 2A is an acute angle. So in this way you can find out the value of angle A here. And as you know all that the trigonometric ratios of complementary angle is not in the examination. This year this has been omitted, right? So neither in the half yearly examination nor in annual examination such type of question will be asked. Okay, so this is just for your knowledge, so that suppose you take mathematics in class 11, so you must know that all such things, because the trigonometry plays a major role in class 11th and class 12th. So you must know all the things. That is why I am explaining this. Okay, so please note down, I am rubbing this. And please cooperate with me, because in Chhattisgarh the condition is very worst because of corona, and that is why there is a major lockdown from 30th of this month to 20th of this month to 30th of the month, right? So we are not able to take the class from school, and it is not safe for us. That is why I will record my daily video, right, and I will upload in LMS portal on the same day, and you please look into it. And if you find any difficulty, you are most welcome. You can directly call, or you can post your question in WhatsApp group. I will definitely tell your answer or give the solution of your question. Okay. And it is not so tough that you couldn't learn, so you can easily learn. Now the next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is very good question. It is very short question. It is of only 2 marks question. It is given that if 10A is equal to cot B, if 10A is equal to cot B, then we have to prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So either you can change this as cot theta, or this cot theta you can change cot theta into tan theta. So how will you change? We will find out by applying the complementary angle, ratio of complementary angle. So 10, that will cot 90 degree minus A, means 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, and this cot B will remain as it is. So both sides having the same ratio, same angle cot, so this can be removed. So 90 degree minus A is equal to B. So this becomes 90 degree is equal to A plus B. That we have to prove. Right? If you change this into 10, then you can also get the same result. Suppose you are solving this 10A and I am changing this. So this can be changed as 10 90 degree minus B, because 10 90 minus theta is cot theta. This gives the same result. So both sides 10 10 will be removed. So A is equal to 90 degree minus B, transpose B here, then A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So in both the cases you will get the same result. So it makes no difference either you are changing cot into 10 or 10 into cot, because they are complement of each other. You will get the same result. Right? Please note down. So you will enjoy learning trigonometric because it is very interesting. It is one of the very easiest branch of mathematics. Now, question number 5. This is also similar one. Question number 5 is sec 4a. Sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 90 degree. Right? Sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle. To find the value of a. So you cannot say that the 4a is an acute angle. After finding out the value of a, you can decide that whether it is acute or not. So you need to find the value of a here. So sec and cosec, either you can change this or this. So I am changing sec into cosec. How will you change? Cosec 90 degree minus 4a, because cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, and this cosec a minus 90 will remain as it is. Right? So all such problems, what is our main motto? Our main motto is to equalize both sides. Equalizes the angle, means suppose here cosec, then you can also have cosec here, or it is suppose here sec, then you can also keep this as sec or cosec. Right? Both sides this angle must be equal. Right? So cosec are same. Now you can change, you can cancel this. So 90 degree minus 4a is equal to a minus 90 degree. So it will be equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to a plus 4a. Right? So 90 180 degree is equal to 5a. Right? Then what will happen? Then a is equal to 180 by 5. So 5 3 are 15, 5 6 are. So a is equal to 36 degree. ठीक है ना? Sorry, here sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 90 नहीं है, यहाँ a minus 20 है. Sorry, here we have angle 20 degree. Right? So what will happen? Here there is no change. 20 degree. So here also 20 degree. So 90 plus 20, right, and is equal to 4a plus a. So that is 90 plus, that is 110, right? So 5a is equal to 110. So a is equal to A is equal to 110 by 5. So 5 2s are 5 2s are, right? 90 minus 4A is equal to A minus 20. So this will be equal to angle A will be equal to 22 degree. Right? So A is equal to 22 degree, and now you can check whether 4A is an acute angle or not. So 4 into A will be equal to 4 into 22, 88. So you can see 4A, that is 88, is an acute angle because it is less than 90 degree, right? Is it okay? Now the next question is, question number 6, that is triangle ABC are interior angles. Then we have to show that, we have to prove that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. This we have to prove if ABC are the interior angle of triangle ABC, right? So in triangle ABC, by angle sum property, what is the angle sum property of triangle? Sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. We need to find B plus C. So find out B plus C first. B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. This plus A will be transposed as minus A. Now we need B plus C by 2. So divide both sides by 2. On dividing both sides by 2. Why we are dividing? Because we need B plus C by 2. That is why I am taking B plus C by 2. So when you divide this both sides by 2, so B plus C by 2 will be equal to 180 minus A by 2. So this becomes 180 degree by 2 minus A by 2. What I have done here? I have divided separately 180 and A by 2. So 180 by 2 and A by 2. So this becomes 2 9s are. So this will be equal to B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. Right? Now what we need? We need sine B plus C by 2. So we will take sine of the angle both sides. So I am taking sine here B plus C by 2, and here also we will take sine 90 degree minus A by 2. Right? Here I have taken sine, so we definitely I have to take sine here also. So left hand side देखो हमारा आ गया. So sine, this will be equal to sine B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus theta. This is complete theta. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. That will be equal to cos theta. That is cos A by 2. यही प्रूव करना था आपको, देखो है ना. This is proved, and you can write here, since sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Right? This is very good question, and for more practice you can take some more examples of such type in R.D. Sharma's book or any, and I have already uploaded the worksheet and the Google form of related to this chapter, so you can also solve by more practice. Okay, now please note down. Now I am solving the next question. That is the last question of this exercise. It is given that you have to express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of the angle between 0 to 45. You have to convert this angle into angle between 0 to 45. So it is clear you will take the complement of this and complement of this. So it is very simple. So complement of sine 67 will be sine 90 minus 23, 9 minus 2, 7, and 8 minus 2, 6. And here this can be written as cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. So 90 minus 15 is 75. So what will happen? Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Theta is 23 degree. And cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. That is theta is 15 degree. So now you can see here 67 and 75 is now converted between the angle 0 to 45. Right? So instead of this angle in the examination, any such angles or any other angle can be given. So you have to change it into its complement. So definitely it will the angle between the range 0 to 45. So please note down. So this exercise is complete, and tomorrow we will start the algebraic identities, right? And algebraic identities chapter is very important, right? So we will see some important algebraic identities and some trigonometric identities as well. And I will explain what is the relation between the identities and equation. Okay, so today I am closing your class. Thank you.